welcome back to my channel. So I had a little idea for today's video and it was to recreate this look here, or as close as I can to Kylie Jenner. Okay, let's go. Okay, so to start off with, my face is all clean, moisturized with sunscreen. So the first thing I'm going to put on is some MAC strobe cream just to give me that gorgeous glow to the skin. First of all, with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in shade, my new one is N6.5. So I don't want too thick a coverage because it is quite a natural look, but I still want that Flawless Magazine editorial cover look. And then I'm going in with my MAC 24 Hour Concealer. This is in the shade NW28. Okay, so that's us nice and blended. So I'm using the Kylie Jenner bronze palette, and for brows I normally use this shade here. You can tell it's super messy. Okay guys, so that's my brows on, so that saved us a good 4 minutes of fast forwarding. So brows are on, so I'm just gonna go and bake my face a little, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I know this is one of Kylie's favorites. I always see her using them in her tutorials. So we'll use this one for the video today. Now if you watch Kardashians, you know that they love baking their makeup. It just gives that certain look. I'm going to bake down the nose a little as well because that's fairly highlighted. And a little bit onto the cheek here too. So if you've never baked before, it's not about finding like all the dots and everything that people do on their head. It's just about finding like where you need the coverage. If you're oily skinned, if you have dry skin, like obviously you're baking in different places to other people. I used my Urban Decay Beach Bronze because it's a nice pale bronze. I didn't want anything too dark because I'm not that tanned right now, but I do want that Kardashian glow. And I always take it up round the hairline here. I'm going to do around my lips. Because I want that big pout. The temples as well. Sometimes I do use a narrower brush for contouring my nose, but my nose is quite big, so I get away with using the same brush. And take the little bit of leftover powder to chisel. So I'm just going to line my lips just now just to let that bake a little bit longer. So the lipstick is blue, but I don't have a blue lip liner, believe it or not. So I heard that Kylie got her lip fillers taken out when she had Stormy. Like, her lips still look beautiful, but I thought maybe she had implants. Okay, so let's blend that all together. So the eyes are very neutral. I do see some like peach here. So I see like some orangey kind of peach, and I see like a darker cut crease in here. I see a gold in the corner, a neutral under eye, but I see the tiniest hint of like a purple fluid line, lash line. So I'm gonna be doing that too. Even though it looks like such a natural neutral eye, the closer you look, the more detail you will see. So I was going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette because I really want to use this shade right here. I feel like that one will be the gorgeous base shade on the lid, and then this one here will be great for that cut crease, and then I have the gold for the inner corner as well. So I'm going to drag that colour on the under eye as well. So she's taken it right into the corner here. So I'm just using my brush and I find where my eyeball is and I just go right in there to get that gorgeous crease effect. It's not only gonna like blend better together, but if you hold the top, like the tip of your makeup brush, that allows you to be a lot more light-handed. Drag this underneath as well. This is something I normally do if I'm wearing a few colors, just so the whole eye look evolves better together. So we have more continuity of color. So I'm going to use this shade here. So this is the shade LA. It's like a dark purple hue, and I think that would look great just for that. If you look really closely, there's like a shimmery purple. So I'm just using my Eco Tools. This is just like a nice flat brush. Okay, can you see that now? I don't know why my eyelash is so white. Okay, this actually looks really cool. I hope you can see it on camera. Doing corner pops is just my favorite thing. It just completes everything. Should I put mascara? Yeah, should I put mascara? Okay, and I'm gonna go in and add a couple of freckles. So just ever so slightly clustering some freckles on my cheeks. I don't feel like I'm cheating because I am covered in freckles in real life, so I'm just putting them back. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. I told you guys I had a lipstick that matched the front cover, and this is by MAC and it's called Pick Me, Pick Me. So I'm gonna go and use the Jeffree Star Princess Cut Highlight, and I'm gonna use that. Not too shabby. So this was a really fun look to recreate. I think it's a super fun, super modern look. And even though I thought it was going to be like this big, bold lip, actually the eyes turned out to be a little bit more dramatic than I intended. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was super fun to film, and I love looking at magazine covers and figuring out how I can recreate these looks, and doing a Kylie Jenner one is so much fun, obviously because her makeup looks are always turned out, they're always fresh. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a little comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.